2, 3, funky.
So I'm back. It's 1:30 and I took the half day off because it was very boring. We didn't do anything today. We literally just sat around making prank calls with friends. Alright. And I didn't wear my school uniform because yesterday was a very hard day and today was the absolute opposite. I actually preferred yesterday than today. Even though I did so much more work. I didn't do anything today. So I just came after lunch and they won't be expecting me. So yeah, I'm back and I forgot to write it. So I forgot to write because I was pretty late again. Alright, so I'm gonna write it down right now in front of you today, right now. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes I've finally written it, and 15 November, Thursday, and it's very late. I know I should have written in the morning, but that doesn't actually matter. That's the awesome part of it. This is a personal book. That doesn't matter at all. So the training is done, and filming done, scripts done because you're watching this, and finished the obstacle avoiding rover. Now as you can see, that was a reminder for yesterday, right? So I will finally do it today because I came home earlier. I could finish that paper, that abstract, and continue on my work for the IV video. Remember, the IV video is again another reminder over here and here. They're the reminders for my past 2 days, and that's coming up really soon, alright? So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe if you guys want to watch it. It's free, so please do it. And then the reminders part. So this is the research Indian colleges, so I'll probably do it sometime today or probably tomorrow, and plan on the next video. I have a few ideas on my phone and just have to try and prioritize them and decide which one I have to do next. And the goals: finish 50% of the IV video. I've already done the first, like the IV was happened for 4 days, and I finished the editing and the narration for 1 day. So I'll try to do it. I'll try to do the second day today, and then complete 100% of the planner. Remember guys, today is the third day and final day, so I'll finish this video probably by today, and if I'm not able to, then tomorrow it is. And the motivation I'll share with you in a few minutes. Alright guys, so it's finally the end of my 3-day journey of expertly planning using a planner from Amazon, and this is my final verdict. Okay, so this is what I've been waiting for, and sorry for keeping you bored, and hopefully you didn't hate it that much. Okay, so let me just begin by saying that I didn't exactly finish one of the to-dos for today. I finished the first 4, but I did not finish the last one, continuing the IV video, because I didn't know abstracts took that long to finish. It took me like 2 hours to finish an abstract, like just an abstract. I still have the entire paper to finish and upload on my blog. So that's something. But I did finish the abstract, and I've kept the finished the entire tutorial and the project papers as a reminder. So that's a thing. And also, my glasses broke. If you haven't noticed, since this morning, I've been wearing new glasses because it broke. So hopefully I'll try to fix it, and even that is in my reminders. Okay, so it's not only academic, it's also personal, everyday life. Alright, so remember, all your to-dos don't have to be with your don't have to do everything with your college, okay? It can be your personal life. It can be you meeting your friends, or going out for dinner, or fixing glasses. Like I've done all 3 during these 3 days, and I've used them as reminders in my planner. So here we go. That is a tick. That is a tick. That one, and that one. So I'm almost done, but remember, I didn't finish one, so I will not be signing, okay? I won't be signing this one. So finally, for my motivation. Alright, so now it's time for the motivation section, and today I learned that things don't usually go the way that they're planned, right? In the morning when I just plan it, it doesn't really happen all the time. So when I thought abstracts would be just 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs and it would be easy to just write, I was wrong. My time management was bad. I thought it would take like 1 hour or something. But it definitely didn't take me an hour. It took me like more than 2 to 3 hours. Alright, so my motivation for today is time management is very important. Plan wisely and do not overbite. Do not bite more than you can chew. That's basically that. And learn how long different things take to achieve. Alright, you need to have the ability to foresee how long a certain activity will take in order to achieve. Alright, if you shoot too much, then you'll have leftover time, and that's just waste of time. If you undershoot, then you won't have time enough for the other things that you plan for the day, and your day will be completely messed up. Alright, my day wasn't messed up by any chance. Alright, my day was amazing today, and I hope so is yours. So time management is very, very important for you to achieve. Alright, today I learned that writing abstracts don't take like an hour or so. It takes way longer. So next time when I write an abstract, I will plan my day thinking that, right? I know how long abstracts will take, and I have that experience, and I won't make that same mistake ever again. So that's the only way that you can probably learn. And also watch other people, learn from their experiences. That's another way. But the best way, I believe, is actually doing it. Sacrifice a few days. It doesn't matter. All right, life is short, but it's also really long. It's way too long. Okay, so sacrifice a few days and experiment with your life. Okay, see what takes how long. All right, and not just that, see what you are good at. All right, don't waste time at things that you don't like doing. You absolutely have to love what you're doing, otherwise it's a waste of time. Time is the absolutely most important constant on this planet. Time is more important to us than money. All right, it has to be. It absolutely has to be, because time can earn you money and time can lose you money. But money is not constant at all. It's very variable. All right, you'll lose money today, you'll get money tomorrow. But if you have to sacrifice time in order to lose money, in order to profit, then there should be a sweet spot. There should be just the right amount of money that you earn by losing amount of time. So remember, always just try to calculate that, the risk to reward ratio. How much time will I lose by doing this, and how much money will I get by losing this much time? So just it all depends on the activity and on your mindset, on how much you love time or money. You can't love both. You can definitely not love both. Money is very important in this world, but we can do without money, but we cannot do without time. All right, so that's my verdict for today. Time management, you absolutely have to improve your time management skills. All right, and I most definitely will. Hopefully this planner will help me do it, and hopefully yours will help you to do it as well. All right guys, so it's time for my verdict on how this planner has helped me for the past 3 days. And the past 3 days were amazing. All right, let me just start off by that. Spoiler alert, if you don't want to hear me rant, this book was amazing, and it definitely helped me achieve more stuff throughout my days. If, for example, I wouldn't have done that abstract today, if this wasn't there, I would have totally forgotten. You would have forgotten things that you absolutely have to do. You just don't remember them because you have so many other things to do in your daily lives. I know, being a student, you have projects to submit, you have assignments, you have records, you have different notebooks, you have a lot of stuff to write. You have to study, you have to talk to people, you have to enjoy, and you have other stuff to do with your parents, your family. So there are so many things you do in life, alright? And you cannot just keep track of everything by keeping everything in my brain. That's what I did for the past 18 years. Or at least for as long as I had a brain. I was a stupid guy when I was a kid. Anyway, so just thinking about stuff that you have to do, just planning while you're thinking, just didn't work for me. I was a very lazy kid. I still am a lazy kid. For the past 2 days, I did not feel that, Whenever I sat down, I just remembered I have a thing to do. I have to finish it between these days. I have to finish it on time. I have to finish it by the end of today. And this session that we have today, you guys are holding me accountable for things that I do. Because if I don't show you these checks, then I seem like a fool. I already seem like a fool doing that, but I'm learning. Remember that abstract that I thought would take me like 1 hour? It definitely didn't. I don't want to look like a fool, but I definitely didn't look like a fool, alright? That was my first time writing an abstract, and I definitely learned. So remember, I've also learned about time management and the other stuff. I've only been here for 3 days. I've already learned so much. Remember, I've learned about the cherishing a time on my birthday, the first day. I remembered how important friends were. I remembered how important talking to your friend wholeheartedly, and just spending some time with your friends and just talking about life. That can give you so much for you, alright? That's first. And the next one, humility. That happened yesterday. Hope you remember. Staying humble, the beginnings are always the most important and the hardest. And things definitely get better over time, alright? You can trust that, okay? You can trust my words. You can mark my words and just trust me. Things definitely get better. This too shall pass. Alright? And the third day, time management. Alright? And I feel like for yourself, time management is definitely the most important, more than humility, alright? Time management can completely ruin your day and can definitely make your day the best that you ever had. Alright, so that's my verdict. It's actually helped me a lot, okay? For the past 3 days, I've had this little urge of just going and doing something. From tomorrow onwards, my time management skills will be way better. Every time I write this from tomorrow onwards, I'll remember how much time it'll take. So this definitely helps, alright? This definitely helps. Remember, time management. Even if you don't do it, even if you don't do any of these things, I'll be updating you guys. Not every week, alright? But I'll be doing this by the end of the week. Not from the first day, from today. A week from now, I'll just say what happened and how it's all been and how it's all helped me. So just trust me on this. I've always had this urge for the past 3 days. I've always had this urge just to do things, just to somehow try and finish it. You know, even if it wasn't for my good, I wanted to do it just to have those satisfying ticks on the notebook from those check marks. I just wanted to take them, and I had to do things. I had to get up and actually study. I had to actually edit. I had to write. I had to think to do those satisfying ticks. And that is what motivated me the most out of anything. And that along with you guys. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry for begging for it, but please subscribe and like the video, and comment your suggestions down below. I will listen to them. Give me suggestions of what I should do next, and what went wrong in this video, and what I did well, so that I can make better videos in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope I didn't bore you too much. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.